Yeah, we've been doing something different today. Today we've been at the Vicus, and the obvious question to ask is, what is a Vicus or Vicus? Effectively, it's a settlement or town that lies outside the Roman fort. And it's worth emphasising the importance of the settlements that you get outside Roman forts. Everybody focuses in on the fort, but often archaeologically speaking, the most exciting bits are to be found in the town of the Vicus that lies outside. And if you go along the excavated forts of Hadrian's Wall today, you can see these towns in all their glory. Now, at Epiacium, it's never been excavated, and indeed, apart from geophysics and aerial photography, there's been no field work of any kind conducted at the Vicus. Nonetheless, we know through geophysical prospection, or geophysics, that it's there. We know from the aerial photography that the buildings are there, and what we've been doing today is working on that area, looking at the rows of buildings that lie alongside the road and collecting from the molehills in that area. Now, it's perhaps worth emphasising something, and that's that the amount of finds we've discovered today are certainly less than you get from inside the Roman fort or in the bathhouse. And I think one of the explanations for that is the fact that outside the Roman fort you're looking at fairly extensive medieval and post-medieval cultivation, and that's effectively acting as a blanket on top of the Roman archaeology, which means the moles are not necessarily going deep enough to bring up a lot of the archaeology. That said, we have discovered pottery sherds, we have discovered some ironworking from today, and all that information will prove vital in piecing together occupation and the settlement history of the Vicus at Epiacium.